Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi is welcome to visit Tamil Nadu any number of times. He's welcome to say, I like idli, I like dosai.
Do you think that this will make a difference? The third party, the third front will be there in Tamil Nadu? We are joined by former Union Minister P. Chidambaram, sir. Sir, how do you see this time Lok Sabha elections in Tamil Nadu?
There is no secret about it. All of Tamil Nadu will vote for the India Alliance. The India Alliance, headed by the DMK and including the Congress in Tamil Nadu, will win all the 39 Lok Sabha seats in Tamil Nadu.
So what will be the appeal to the people of Tamil Nadu when they are going to vote out today?
The appeal was made yesterday. Our appeal is go out and vote. Please exercise your franchise. Nobody should stay at home. They should vote by the end of polling hour. And I appeal to all of them in order to preserve, protect democracy, secularism, tolerance, and coexistence. Vote for the India combination.
So do you still see a three-way fight or a two-way fight only?
There is no fight in Tamil Nadu. The India Alliance is way ahead. The fight is between the AIADMK and the BJP for the second and third places. Okay. Let them fight. I have no objection if they fight for the second and third places, irrespective of who is second and who is third in either individual constituencies or all over Tamil Nadu. The India combination will be way ahead in all the 39 seats.
PM Modi has come over here several times. Amit Shah has done roadshow. Do you think that this will make a difference? The third party, the third front will be there in Tamil Nadu?
It will make no difference. Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi is welcome to visit Tamil Nadu any number of times. He's welcome to say, I like idli, I like dosai. But the point is, the people of Tamil Nadu do not accept the BJP, the fact that it is imposing one language, one culture, one system, one kind of food, one kind of dress. The people of Tamil Nadu do not like that. And the people of Tamil Nadu are deeply hurt that the central government of the BJP has denied to Tamil Nadu its deserved funds, its justified funds. That is our entitlement, but they have denied funds to us. They have not implemented any major scheme in Tamil Nadu. We have found deep faults and fault lines in the claims they made about Tamil Nadu. As far as the Home Minister is concerned, my recollection is that the Home Minister promised to visit twice, at least, Shivaganga constituency, and both occasions he cancelled the visit. He should explain why he cancelled the visits.
India Alliance will be getting highest seats in entire country in Tamil Nadu. That's what
That I can't say. There are states with more seats. For example, Maharashtra and West Bengal are also more seats. But as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned and Puducherry, we have 40 seats and we will win all 40.
Thank you so much for talking to India Today. With camera person Sai Prasad Patil, this is Saurabh Aktania in Kandanur for India Today.